Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right in to learn how to automate budget approvals using Monday.com. Let's get started with the first major step, which is setting up your budget items on Monday.com. Now this is crucial because it lays the foundation for your entire budget approval process. So go ahead and create a new board and add columns for each budget item like salaries, office supplies, and marketing. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the second step, proposing the budget. In this phase, team members enter their proposed budgets into the relevant columns. This is important as it allows everyone to see and discuss the proposed figures before approval. Next up, we'll define the budget approval automation. This is where the magic happens. Go to the Automate section on your board and select When Status Changes to Something, Notify Someone. This means whenever a team member proposes a budget, the system will automatically notify a designated approver. The reason we do this is to ensure no proposed budgets go unnoticed, streamlining the approval process. Once the automation is set, it's time for the fourth step, reviewing and approving the budgets. Approving members will receive a notification with the proposed budget, and they can then review and change the status to approved or denied. This helps us because it ensures all proposed budgets are reviewed and approved in a timely manner. Now, let's wrap it all up. We've just automated the budget approval process on Monday.com from proposing to approving budgets. This system not only saves time, but also increases transparency and efficiency in your team. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, automating your budget approvals on Monday.com is as simple as these 4 steps. Until next time, keep streamlining your processes and maximizing your productivity.